Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Thursday.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey guys, I've got something new for you. It's a food pantry haul, but it's from another state. I went to Indiana, and I went to a food pantry there, and it's quite different. In fact, they've got a lot of produce, and you can take as much produce as you want of what they have. Come on, let me show you the differences when you go to different places. We're going to start from the left all the way to the right. We got a can of tuna. I've never tried this. This is, ooh, let me get in focus. Great value tuna, which I believe is from that place with the, mark in the walls. Yeah. I got some light red kidney beans. That'll come in handy. Some no salt cut green beans. Love that. Then we've got some sweet kernel corn. Oh, yes. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, wait. No salt added. Oh, yeah. Then we've got some drink mix, some Crystal Light Concord grape. And to go with that, a couple bottles of water. I also got these. These are cool. They are sparkling grapefruit. They're zero sugar, and they're really good. Uncle Mike drinks these because he's diabetic. Then they gave me some pancake mix with syrup to go with it. Check that out. How cool is that? I've never had this brand, but I'm going to try it. Then I got some donuts. Now, these are assorted donuts. What I'm going to do, because they're all mushed up kind of, I'm going to chop them up, and I'm going to make them into bread pudding. Yes, it's going to be delicious. Then back here, we've got some tortilla chips. That'll be good because I'm going to do my cold mixed bean dip, refried bean dip rather, with chilies. It's going to be good. Then down here, we've got some garlic bread. They let me get this whole big one. Isn't that great? I love it. Then back here, look at this. Two big things of organic vanilla yogurt. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do some good things with this. As you see what I have down here, I'm going to use this to make some parfaits. Yep, yogurt parfaits. Let's jump over here real quick. I got a bag of oranges. A bag of them. Then I've got 5 tomatoes. Then look at this. A ton of bananas, which I'm going to use, of course, for those parfaits, along with the oranges. They're really good. I mean, these are ready to go. I can't wait. These are going to be so good. Some are going to be parfaits. Some I'm going to freeze. For ice cream, of course. You never made banana ice cream? I'll show you how. Then I got a bag of Vidalia onions, the sweet ones. Look at this, and big ones. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is cool. Did I say 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. 7 of them. Then I got a huge container of barbecue sauce. That's going to come in handy since we're in summer. But I do barbecue sauce anyway because even in the winter, I do oven-baked barbecue ribs. And they taste like they've been on the grill because I add liquid smoke. Oh, yeah. Then I got some Farmhouse thin-sliced butter bread. I've never had this. I'm going to let you know how it goes. It looks good. Then I got this wonderful rye bread, which is great for sandwiches. Oh, this is so soft and so good. If you've never had this on a sandwich, you're missing out. Or make this into garlic bread. Yes, I'm telling you. Or toast it and put it on top of some French onion soup. You will love it. Which, of course, guess what? I will be making. We got this in with the rest of the stuff. It is cauliflower and cheese. Now I'm just going to be careful because it may have a high sodium content, but I can cook this for Jay and other people, and it looks good. It looks really good. Then back here, I've got some beef chunks. This would be great for a Latin dish. I'm going to put these in mole or some type of Latin cream sauce. I'll figure it out. Then we've got, ta-da, liquid gold. Yes, they gave us a dozen eggs. That was so cool. Then down here, lemon cake. I love lemon pound cake. So good. You can put ice cream on top of this, or you can do some strawberry shortcakes with this. It is wonderful. Like a lemonade, strawberry lemonade cake. Yeah. So let's take a pan and notice all the different things that we got. Isn't it cool? Looks like it's going to rain. Now, that shows you it differs from state to state, from food pantry to food pantry, and other places. Now, I give you some ideas of what to make with some of the stuff I got. I'm going to be showing you recipes all this week. The next one coming up is going to be my refried bean dip, and it's cold. It's delicious. It's low fat. It's a good snack without making you gain weight. How about that? I'm trying to lose it, y'all. The arms are coming out nice, but it's a battle. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me, okay? Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Do not be afraid to ask me for food. You saw the last one where we took that to that lovely lady, and she's wonderful with all those children. She really, really needed it. So reach out to me, please. Or if you want to go to a food pantry, please don't be afraid to do that. Just nix that whole stigma out of your mind, okay? All right. Until we meet tomorrow, or maybe the next day, I'll see how quickly I can get the video out. That's so crazy. I want to keep a smile on your face. I want to keep you going, keep hope alive, okay? I want to also show you big love from your Uncle Chris, and you stay close, all right? I got you. I got you. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?